think he said something about hit subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Yeah, that's what it was? Okay, thanks, buddy. Good morning, YouTube. Oh, I've got so much room. It feels really good to be in the bus. And guess where we are? Well, it looks like we brought some of that Alberta weather home with us. We got a couple inches of snow out there last night, and I just let the little guy outside. He did a quick lap around. He came back. He goes straight to bed. He goes, "Dad, it's cold out there." Anyways, good morning. It's nice and early. It's almost 7:30. The shop will be opening soon. I'm going out for breakfast with a subscriber this morning. He has his vehicle in the shop for some repairs. So we're going out for brekkie. So me and Peter are going to head out for something for breakfast. Peter's from Calgary. Yeah. But look at this weather. So Peter and I are heading into Tanya's for breakfast. Come on, let's go. Well, how was breakfast?
Some L something. It was fantastic.
But as usual, Brent forgot to take a picture again. We'll have to smarten up and do some focus on some restaurant reviews. Anyways, we're just hanging out here. We're going to head back to shop soon. And back out to the wild, snowy weather of Nanaimo. Crazy stuff. Oh, I must be on, here, this. Wham! Look at that! Holy cow! I'm playing with the, it's not portrait, it's called, cinematic. So right now you're in focus, I'm out of focus, and I touch myself and now I'm on focus and you're out of focus. Oh, the joys of learning stuff. That was a really good breakfast. Thanks again, Peter. It's a joy hanging out with you, exchanging stories, learning about other people's lives. And you, my friend, have an amazing one. We went to take the Volkswagen out for a spin this morning for breakfast, and turned out it is deader than a doorknob. And we're trying to get the Goldberg Express into the shop because there's just something not right with it. So let's see what we can get done today. Number one I need to check out. I am trying to figure out how to mount a roof rack. A rooftop carrier, actually. Let's check. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's not going to work. Yeah, I picked those up with my roof rack. And I have, hang on, let's go check this out. Yeah, that roof box. I'm trying to figure out a way to install it. It came with mounting brackets. The brackets are supposed to go on crisscross roof rack. So I don't have that. By the way, thanks, Michael. I really appreciate it. Now I gotta use my brain to figure out how to put it on my roof. Sorry, I got a little bit busy and forgot where my camera was. We got the bus moved a bit. I had to move the ambulance, and that's the little pickup truck that was behind me. So now we have all this room here. So, the test run is working out great from the Volkswagen. I don't know why the battery died. Welcome to the West Coast. You don't like the weather? Wait a day. So, I need to move that stuff. We have a new parking spot for the fleet. We'll get the shovel out. We'll clean stuff up. And yeah, home sweet home. It's -3 and feels like -7 here in the Nine. Oh man, it is taking its toll on Brent. I'm having struggle with his breathing. My knees are killing me. And my poor puppy, he just wants to go to bed. I believe they call this nesting. But yeah, I let him outside. He was like, arf, arf, arf. I'm like, dude, you told me you wanted outside. And I had to go hook up all the electrical and stuff for the buses. And as you know, there's no solar right now. And yeah, he didn't last very long. So anyways, I'm going to take a bit of a break here. My bones are killing me. I need some Tylenol. And yeah, I'll be back to you on the next scene. Okay, good morning, YouTube. We just got dropped off at the shop. We ended up going to my buddy's house last night and watching some TV. Look at this. Yes, that's my oyster dinner washing pit. I thought that Mother Nature might have helped me wash the dishes since there was so many that night, and we got nailed with snow, and now everything's freezing or melting, and it's all turning to ice everywhere. Look at this. Look at the poor Volkswagen. So I was in talking to Clint at Bavarian. We're getting this thing in here in less than half an hour. So I need to clean all this up and remove the doghouse for the mechanic. He's going to check that one bank that I was working on and probably get a tickety-boo within the hour. How many times have I had this thing off? The correct answer is too many. Okay. Can you tell I've done that a few times? Anyways, the mechanic should be here shortly. I really, really can't get over this weather. It is cold, like, don't get me wrong, but it is warm. So get me wrong. That it's amazing. The Schoolie is in the shop. Turns out that maybe a couple plug wires were crossed. So they're going to retime it. We've set that up, retimed it, and we got to hook up a pigtail for the knock sensor. It looks like I'm getting off pretty easy. And next is this little baby. So I got back here, as you guys saw, the battery was deader than a doorknob on it. So I'm about to check it out again once we climb inside and see if it starts. Hey dude, we're back in the Volkswagen. So we're gonna take off. I have to go pick up my prescriptions while they're fixing the bus. But I can tell by the smile on my face, we're gonna be taking off here pretty quick. Catch some of the sunny, snowy weather out in the bus. Sounds like fun. Yep. When I go shopping for drugs. So, we're going back to the shop. We're still organizing stuff, so hopefully this weekend we're gonna have some fun. Let's get on the road. Well, we made her back. Safe and sound. Let's see if the Schoolie's out. Oh, it's not. good golly, Miss Molly. I sat and literally booted it, and it's like takes off, it flies. Should have a pretty good bus now. We got a new motor, came with a new transmission, we got new tires all the way around. It's my old elementary school. A Brecken Elementary. Yeah. Gas jumped over 20 cents last night. A liter here on Vancouver Island. It was $1.60. And now it's $1.80. I picked it up for $1.61. Okay. Back to organizing. OMG. I am in so much pain. It's ridiculous. It is super, super, super cold here in the shade. It is a beautiful day in the sunshine. But what I'm having to do is start not only reorganizing my humble abode and putting things back together, but I'm also setting up the post outside against the building so we have electrical and stuff like that. But when I step into the cold weather, everything freezes right up. So we came in here to get warm. You did some really good peas, buddy. Grab my gloves and head her back outside. This is pretty hilarious. I had a table sitting there. That's my electrical to hook up the buses to give me shore power, etc. So, yeah, it's cold here in Nanaimo. Oh, it is cold outside, and I ran out of propane, but that's okay. They're just down the street, and we're home. Home. Sweet home. Hey, Dad? I'm warm. Don't you guys worry. Peace out. We're signing out. Have a great night, and we'll see you on the next vid.